Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the daily quest about scan birds to get to info cards with 2 stars or above. So to complete this quest, actually is pretty easy. First, just go find any birds at the map, and then just equip your scanner. And then just take a photo of the birds. And to get the at least to start or even above, you must adjust the zoom like this, and then make sure you take a photo of the birds with the central positions like this, and then just take a photo, and just like that you will get the basic positions with the perfect photo, so you will get at least 2 stars like that. Or if you want to more stars, you can just wait for the bird to do something, to do activities like this, like maybe chirping or move their wings, and like that. Just wait until the birds do some movement, and then just take a photo, and you will get the info card with at least 2 stars or above. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.